Hello everyone, my name's Andrew and I'm the founder of NFTMASTER. Today we're going to allocate IOU tokens to NFTs on the XRP ledger. So we're going to go to www.nftmaster.com. You're going to want to click IOU and then there will be a drop down for IOU allocations. Once we're in our account, we've already signed in and we're at the IOU allocations page. We'll enter the taxon of the collection that we'd like to swap over. So we'll enter this example, number 3, and then fetch the tokens. So it will have a list of all the NFTs within that collection. Now you can go through and exclude certain NFTs if you don't want them to be part of the IOU process. So for example, they might be a gift. So what you can do is you can press link here and it will go to that NFT and you could view that NFT and make sure that you don't want a part of the IOU process. So we're going to exclude the top 4 NFTs here. And now they're not part of the IOU process. Now, once we've confirmed that we want all the rest of these NFTs part of that process, we could press check here. Once we've pressed check, the new button will appear and now we'll check the reserve. So for each one of these NFTs that are part of the IOU process, there will be an offer created and each offer has a reserve of 2 XRP per offer. Now you'll receive this offer back once it's closed. So for example, the other person or the person that's purchased the IOU token has actually exchanged it for the NFT and then they have it in their account. So you'll eventually get that 2 XRP reserve back per NFT. So we'll automatically check that you actually have enough XRP in your account for the reserve. Now once we've done that, we can lock the batch, and then after we've locked the batch, it will provide us a batch ID, and we could then use this in the bulk signing application, which is an open source bulk signing application, part of NFTMASTER. So we're going to switch over to that, but we're going to copy this bulk offer ID. Now that we're in the bulk signing application, we could just put the batch code in. Now that we've pasted the batch code, just press submit. It will then fetch all the offers. Now there's 2 ways of doing this. Either you could use this bulk signing application and it's an open source application, so you could see exactly what's happening behind the scenes. So instead of signing each transaction one by one using Psalm, we sign it using the XRP address and the secret seed. So if you don't feel comfortable with this application, what you can do is that we have an open API, so you could fetch the batch and sign them on your side. But it is an open source application, meaning that you can see what's happening behind the scenes and also change anything that you don't like. So what we'll do is we'll put in the XRP address, the secret seed, and then we'll press sign batch and we'll come back and see what it looks like after we've done that. Now that we've pressed sign, we're just waiting for the offers to be signed one by one. So this will take a few seconds and we'll be back after that. Now all the offers in the batch have been signed and you can see here that batch has been finished. There will be some manual intervention needed to be done on the NFTMASTER side just to verify the IOU allocation. This is more so for customer safety, so that people aren't creating false IOU batches and putting that on the NFTMASTER site, and then people accidentally sending their real tokens to a fake address. So there's some manual intervention that's needed on NFTMASTER side. And then we'll go into the process of what it looks like for a customer that does have an IOU token and they want to swap it over for an actual NFT. Now we're in the IOU conversion page. Now that NFTMASTER has verified this IOU conversion, it will appear here. So to get to this page, you just simply go to the IOU tab and then IOU conversion. Now you can see we've logged into an account. This account already has the IOU token that can be used to exchange for an NFT for this specific conversion. Now you can see the issuer there, the currency, and the amount that I have in this account that I've signed into. We could simply press the collection that we'd like to convert our IOU tokens for. We can see that we have enough here of the specific currency to swap for NFTs. Now we can see that the issuer has allocated 25 NFTs, and each NFT takes 200 tokens. So for example, an issuer might say that 1 IOU token equals 1 NFT, or 0.5 IOU tokens equals 1 NFT. And so for this example, it's 200. So what we're going to do is we're going to swap 400 of this token for NFTs, which will equal 2 NFTs. So we'll enter the amount there and swap. Now that we've pressed swap, we have this code, the SAM QR code to sign. So we're going to sign that. So now that we've signed the IOU, sending back the IOUs to the burn address or the issuer, we can see that we're ready to accept the NFTs now. And so there's a description of the process here, but we're going to go now and accept the NFTs. Now we can see the pending NFTs that we can now accept. Now this is a fully random IOU process, meaning that the person that has the IOUs cannot see or try to snipe the NFTs that they're going to receive. And so now we could accept these tokens here. So we're going to press accept. We're going to accept the token and now scan these transactions. So now that we've accepted one of the NFT allocations, we could see that we've accepted it here and we could now view it. So when you press view it, it will redirect you to the NFT details page, and you can see the NFT. Now you can see that the owner now matches the account that we're currently logged into. And all we have to do for the rest of them is sign or accept them, and we'll now have all those NFTs. So that's the NFT IOU allocation process on NFTMASTER. Thank you for watching.